This is my first video of my family. It's only in Anderson. The rest of my family is at home. My mother. Say hi, Cisco. Hello. And that was me. And my birthday. See, no, I won't tell you my birthday. Okay, I can tell you my birthday. Okay, Cisco's birthday is May 28th, 2010. Is that right, Mom? Mom, Cisco was born in 2010? Was he? In 2010. Okay, I'm right. My birthday is May 24th, 1999.